Hello guys, I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm coming here to tell you about how we can record our videos, movies and our conferences. So today I will tell you about, okay? So now I will open QuickTime players. So if I didn't find here QuickTime players, I can go for search bar. So I can write here search bars QuickTime players. So I will open QuickTime players and then I need to go for file. So here is some options: new movie recordings, new audio recordings and new screen recordings. So I need to record my screen. So now I will click new screen recordings. So at the bottom I have found some options about capture entire screens, capture selected window. For this means you have less window, and if you want to record entire screens, then you need to click this one. And if you want to record some selected area and don't want to record whole screens, then you can click this one. So I'm clicking this one. So now I'm going for, here is also have some options if you want to do for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, everything's where you want to record documents. So I will click desktop and now I will record my video. So now my video is working. So it's take 1 to 2 minutes if I want to record, or you can record more than 30 minutes, 1 hour, it depends upon you. So here is some options if you want to stop your videos. Here is stop buttons and I will click this one. I have clicked. So finally I found my screen recordings. So now I will play this one. You can also see same like this. You see I'm playing that. So now it's working. You see it's almost same procedures. It's repeating my video. So that is records, verifications. I have did it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please, if you like this video, please subscribe and comments below in my video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.